Look on this now, people. Watch on this. Net full, you know, man. Watch on this. Alright people, so a few times I'm out fishing and catching my bait, and I see like some new people come up to me and ask me how do I catch my bait, right? And I have some subscribers also that asking me. I think it's some new, these subscribers are new to fishing. They don't know much about fishing, you know, and they probably like see the video, see the content and like the sport, so they want to know how to catch the bait and stuff, right? This video is not really for those who know, right? But if you want to, you can take a look and stuff. Now this video is for more like the people who don't know, right? Because I come across quite a few persons who don't know anything about fishing and want to know how I catch my bait. And I think I do a video before telling you what you need, but first of all, you know, you're going to need a bait bucket, right? Preferably a black bucket, right? And you're going to need an aerator. We call it a pump, but it's an aerator that you can give the bait oxygen, right? So you need the bucket, you need the aerator, then you need a small rod. You can use a 6-foot rod, 7-foot rod, you know. Preferably the smaller the rod is the better, but in the 5-foot to 6-foot, or 6-foot or 7-foot range, that kind of rod is good. All right, so this gentleman saw me there and asked me how do I make the sabiki. Well, I don't really call it sabiki because I would refer to this thing, this ready-made one as sabiki. I refer to the ready-made one as sabiki, right? But the one that I make, the locals call it jerk up, right? That is the name they give it long time ago, you know, from way back when I hear them calling it jerk up. So I just stick to the name jerk up, original one sabiki, right? So first of all, you're going to need a little piece of line, right? I use 6-pound line to make my jerk up. 6 pounds, see it here? I don't know if you can see it, if this GoPro is focused enough. I'm in the living room right now, nobody is here, so the place is quiet, so I just decided to make this one in my living room. I don't need a lot of space. So see it there? 6-pound line. Right, I use 6 pound. You can use 5 pound, 6 pound, 8 pound, probably 10 pound. I don't like using 10 pound. The smaller the line is the better for you. You will catch more bait, right? Because you don't want the bait to see the line. Sometimes I'm kind of picky about the line when I see the line, you know, picky about that. So you have to use a small line. So I use 6 pound. Then what you're gonna need again? You're gonna need a swivel, a little swivel like this. 20 pound or 30 pound swivel, right? And then you're going to need some very small hook like this one. Can you see this up? I have to put on my glasses to see it now. See it? It's a size 20 hook, right? It's not the shine hook. It's the one looking more like aluminum color, aluminum looking hook. Because if I notice the shine one don't work as well as this one, right? So use this one, size 20 hook. You can go to any hardware and buy it that sell hook. You know, the Chinese hardware, they mostly sell this kind of hook, size 20 or 22, but 20 is alright. And you're going to need about 4 of those or 6, depending on the length of the rod you're using. You might need 6 hook or 4 hook. I'm using a 5-foot rod, so I use like 4 hooks because the longer the jerk up is, it's harder to cast out with the short rod, right? So if you're using a 7-foot rod, you then use 6 hook. You can cast it out far because you have the length of the rod to cast it. I'm using a 5-foot rod, so I don't need more than 4 hooks, right? So if you want, you can use 6 hooks, but I use 4 hooks, right? So the size 20 hooks, that's all you need. So you have the swivel, the hooks, and a sinker, a weight. I make this weight, you know. This is a half ounce and quarter ounce, so you bring it up to 3/4 ounce. Right? I just make it up a while ago. I have this one. You can buy this one, looking like this. But you can buy the 3/4 or the 1 ounce. Don't go over 1 ounce. Don't go under 3/4 ounce. The reason being, when you're jerking up the jerk up, you want the line to sink as fast as possible, right? You don't want it to when you go down with your hand like this, the sinker stay up and then the line not up on the sinker, right? Or if you catch bait on it, you don't want it too light that the bait can pull it around and knot up each other. If you catch like 3 bait, 4 bait, they might spin around. If the weight is too light, they spin around and knot up each other and knot up the jerk up, right? So you need a little weight to hold it down, to hold the bait them steady, hold them firm, let them don't move up and down too freely. So you use a 1 ounce or a 3/4 ounce. Don't go. Some people use the 4-inch nail. You can use that, yes. But I use a sinker here because I like to use in these sinkers, right? This one, I don't have any. This one is 1 ounce, but I have this to put on something else. So I'll make this one for the jerk up, right? This one is the same, work the same way. Alright? Alright, after you get the line now, right? This is the line. Then how I make it now, is that I put on the hooks. See the line here? This is the line on the reel. We don't cut the line yet, because if you cut the line, it's too hard to handle. And furthermore, me can't see properly already without my glasses, so me have to keep it on, right? Because the hook them too fine. So I just put on the hooks now. You can string the hooks onto the line, right? So let me see if we can see it good now. Alright. Yeah, we can see it good. See there? 1. Put this one on and let it go. Let it go down. It stop on the reel. It won't fall off because it stop on the reel. I put on another one. Light getting low now, so the sun gone in. Another one. Number 2. This one, number 3. And number 4. Remember I said using 4 hooks? Number 4. Right? So see it here, number 4. And it's on, right? So we have the 4 hooks. See them there? The 4 hooks. Alright, so you have them on it. Alright, so after you put them on now, then you're going to attach your sinker to the end of the line. You don't want the hooks to fall off, so you're going to put this on now as a stop. So you put it on. Other people make it different too, This is how I make my own, right? 2, 3, 4. I'm using a uni knot. Alright, using a uni knot to attach it. See there? So we have that right there. Take your pliers and just trim it up neatly. Right? So you have it right here now. Right? See it here? But that is not done as yet, See it here now? The hook's gone down to the sinker there. See it? That's not it. Now the next step is to take the hook that is nearest to the sinker. Right? See it here? The sinker is here. Hook nearest to the sinker. And give it about 8 to 10 inches. Right? See there? 8 to 10 inches, right? Can you see that? And you're gonna hold it. You're just gonna make a loop now, right? You're gonna make a loop. You just tie it on like you tie on a simple hook. See it here? 1, 2, and you tie it on like that. Just a small loop. Don't make the loop too long, See it there, Small loop like that. You do like that. Tighten it up like that. And that is number 1. See it? So we have our number 1 already, right? Number 1. Right? So we're going to number 2 now. So you grab the other hook again. The other hook that follow this one, you grab it again. Right? Wait, is this part it gone now? Oh, see it here. So go on like it now and come up. Alright. See it here now. And I'm going to measure it now, the same distance that I give the sinker right here. See it here? You can grab it right there. See the hook, I hold the hook right here. The same distance. and you tie it right there again. So see it here, hold it there again, another loop knot again. Right, same procedure, same way. 1, 2. Remember, don't make the loop too long. Right, just some short loops like that. That is number 2. So you have it there now. Number 1, number 2. Right, it's about 8 inches apart. 8 inches. Grab it again, same way. Right there again. See it? You grab the other hook same way, and you put the other one right here again. Right? Can you believe that I'm in my living room, you know? I have this man next door. Every time he turn up the music and turn it up loud, you know, man. And you know what I'm gonna do now? Me hear him string up the music now, you know. So he's gonna disturb me now and play a pure copyright music in my video. See that? So me have to go stop now. Alright, 1, 2. And the man, you know what him do now? Him turn the speaker box over to my place, you know. Turn the box over to my house. Right? Turn the front of the box to my house and play the music. For disturb me. Can't understand them, you know. You heard him start already, anyhow. Alright people, so see it here now, the last one. And after you put on the last one, then you just put on the swivel and that's it basically. Alright, so I soon come back to you guys. I'm gonna have to turn this off because him start to play the music and I don't want the copyright music in my video. Alright, so I'm gonna have to cut it now. Alright, so this is the last one I put on the swivel. This is where you're gonna put the swivel now, right at the top here. Alright, so you just cut it off right here. Right, and then you put on the swivel and we're all done. Yeah guys, so boy, I tell you I have to turn off the camera a while ago because the man turned up the music so loud that me I tell you say boy, I never know if me hear to play outside, but I close the window, you know, and close the place because I don't want to hear the music in my video. Right, I don't have any other time to make this video, right? So I kind of close out some of the sound. I don't even know if I still can hear it in the thing here because the man turned it up so loud. You understand me? But see it here, this is a sabiki. Finish making the sabiki now. I just put the both hooks together because I'm going to store it. I'm going to store it a certain way that it don't knot up, right? I see a lot of people wrapping up the sabiki and bottles and stuff like that. Well, I don't think that is because when you're ready to catch a bait, the sabiki knot up and you can't take so long to pull it out. So what I do, I get a whole slippers. This is a old slippers. You can find these slippers all about on the beach side, all about the place. It is sad to say that we can't find it on the beach side, but that is how it is in Jamaica. People throw the garbage all over the place and it just reach on the beach side, alright? But these are old slippers. So what I do is cut a little piece of it and cut and split it at the end, at the four ends. Split it at the four corner. And then I grab my sabiki. This is how you store the sabiki now. And I put it in there like that. And I just roll it up. Just roll it up on it like this. Roll up the sabiki on it. Right? And you keep the sabiki in order. See it here? Just roll it up like that and you keep it in order. Right? So when you finish now, when you finish fish, you just roll it up on it like that. See it there? In order. When you go home with it, you just throw it in a little soap water and rinse it off and put it to dry, and it dry on this thing here, the slippers. It dry on the old slippers. The foam looking thing, it dry on it. And you have your sabiki well put away until the next fishing trip. So put it in a bag, you put it in a pocket and you're gone to sea. When you're ready, just back it off back like that easily. Wind it off, see there? And you take it off, put on your rod, and then you go so boop and you catch your bait and you put it back same way. And that is it, see there? That's how you store it. That's how I store mine. I'm just showing you. This is just a tip, right? How to store your sabiki, right? So that is basically how I make the sabiki. You can use cast net and catch a bait also using the cast net. I have a few videos out using cast net catching bait. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you some clippings. I'm gonna show you guys some clippings, right? These clippings, I didn't make these clippings for this video, right? But I have some clippings that I'm gonna show you how I use the cast net to catch my bait and how I use the sabiki to catch my bait. Alright? These clippings never uploaded to YouTube before. I have these clippings on my up to I think this one was done. What the last clippings on this was done the rainy weekend, right? So I'm gonna just put it in this and show you guys how I catch a bait with this. This is the sabiki I use to catch the jerk up, I should say, jerk up. You can call it a sabiki, but I call it a jerk up. Right? So if you want to call it sabiki, call it sabiki, okay? How I use this jerk up or sabiki to catch my bait, and how I use the cast net to catch my bait. Alright? So I'm gonna show you these clippings. Let's get to the clippings now, alright? So watch this. There's a whole lot of bait in front of me, guys, right at the shallow. I'm gonna cast some and show. I don't even want them to use, you know. I don't even want them to use, but I'm gonna cast. Practice on them. Yeah, me also gonna practice on them. Like me don't know how to cast it. Eh? What me tell you, I'm gonna practice and like me don't know how to choke cast it. Eh? I crazy, don't it? Practice me a practice on toughy. Can you imagine that? Choke thing. One, two, three. Must always wet the cast net before you throw it, alright? See them there now, right in front of me, I'm casting it. Always wet the cast net before you throw it. See them there? Holy for bait. Bait, a lot of bait. Holy for bait. Go back in the water, no go back in. Go back in. Eh? You hook him?
Yeah, when the boy I bust you hook everything, man. I try to have a longer gap than the one with the man.
Oh.
Throw them back, man.
No, I'm put them in a bucket already. Let's have throw them.
You can't throw and get a look more to me.
3. Watch here now. Look at this now. Full the net now. Alright, look. Net full now. Let me tell you, say net full. Net full. Look on this now, people. Watch on this. Net full now. Watch on this. Hold up. Hold of them here get now.
No, man, you tell me.
Try and get that bird drink that some here. Alright. One more time? No, the net not up. Now go open, alright? No man, now go open. Come on man. What is this guys? Come on, now go open. Watch here, one more time now. Go down on the corner here, so see them guys? Look on them, see them? Watch on this now, look on this. See that now? Full again, you know. Full again. Look at that. Full again, man. them there people. Cast netting bait and releasing bait. See them there? A whole heap of bait. The bait there people watch. Release now. Look at this now. Look at this people watch. Release. Release. Everybody gone. Release now. See a bang here, man. Bang here. Bang can't get released now. The bang here can't get released. Come here, man. You do it. Come here. Morning people. Top of the morning people. Top of the morning. Or I tell you, I went to the jetty this morning. I couldn't catch any bait, but when I come on the side over here, so I see a whole heap of bang. So take out my sabiki, you know, so I'm going to try to catch some bang, you know. I catch a few already. Still want some more, so I'm going to throw. But the thing is, I'm just so far that it's so hard to catch them, you know. I'm throw right in the middle of them, you know. So I'm going up there now. When I come back down, you see me can catch a few more. Yeah. Yeah, see them out there, so I see them all up in the water. I see my hook one, I'm hook one already. Hook one, I think I hook one, yes. I hook one. You just want to hook. And I'm come down for me. That's it. See here, I'm going to catch one. Yeah, one. Actually catch one. Hooking bad to you, man. I'm high. Hook one more again, see it here. And I'm right in front of me now, right? I'm only hook one. One, see me here, one. You can't catch any more tight. Come, more. Alright, so I'm hook about 1 or 2 here, so again. So I'm going to catch a whole heap of bait. See me here, one again. Bang. Alright, see that again. Catch one more or two. Is it a 1 or 2 this time big? Now fight me. Give him drag. I feel like I won now still. Now come with me though. Now fight me now. 1 or 2. 2. 2, let's start it. 2. Yeah? 2. What find this now? See that quick time. What are you? 2 of them this now. Bet you. Or a 1. A 1 and him. Alright, so those are the clippings, right? And next time I'll show you guys how to cast the net, right? Because there's a certain way you hold the cast net to cast it. Alright, there's a certain way you hold it. I'll show you next time. I'll make another video showing you guys how to cast the net. I did that some time ago on Kevin. My brother did it some time ago in a video, but I don't remember the link for the video. I have to put it in or something, but I will show you another time in another video. How I holding it, how I casting it, right? And you see how I use the sabiki already, right? Or how I use the jerk up, right? So it's not hard to make. I think everybody can make this, but I think what is the problem is that people don't know the specification, how much space to give it and what type of hook and stuff, what type of hook you use and stuff to make it. I think that is what they don't know. They don't know. It's not that they don't know how to make it, because everybody can grab a piece of line and tie and a hook, you know. But you need certain specifications. You need the size line, the size hook, and the size weight, and that is what people don't know. That's why they say they don't know how to make it, right? Well, I'll show you in this video how to make it, and I'll outline everything that you need to make it, right? And the size and the weight and so forth. Anybody else have any other comment can comment down below and tell me what you can do to improve it, or if I say anything wrong or I'm teaching anything wrong. But this is it, Mr. Season Boy. I hope this video help you out, you know, brother. My subscriber, faithful subscriber, big up yourself, brother. Because you asked me how to make a video how to catch a bait, and this is somewhat a video how to catch a bait, but I'll get into more details in another video. So Take care, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Fish on every time.